Hi class, we have the ninth class for mechanics. The question says a train decelerates from 30 meters per second to 10 meters per second. In 8 seconds, it decelerates. Decelerate and accelerate, they are just the same. Yeah. The only thing is deceleration is negative, but generally deceleration, acceleration, retardation, all of them are just acceleration. The only thing is we call it deceleration, we call it retardation when the acceleration is negative. Just like when we say the velocity which the object starts with is called the initial velocity, and it ends with what? Final velocity. But whether it is initial, whether it is final, they are just velocity. So likewise, deceleration, retardation, of course, deceleration is just another word for retardation. So deceleration, acceleration, they are just the same. Only that it has the name deceleration when it is negative. Okay. Now, the train decelerates from 30 meters per second to 10 meters per second. The train was like 30 meters per second. It's moving with 30 meters per second. But because it wants to stop, it slows down to what? To 10 meters per second. So it means our final velocity is 10 and our initial velocity is what? Is 30. The train is moving with what? 30 meters per second. It keeps going until passengers want to come down. Yes, the train wants to drop off some passengers, then it decides to slow down. So once it slows down, the word slowing down or the saying slowing down is what we mean by decelerate. So from 30 to 10. So that means our initial velocity is 30 meters per second. Yeah, the final velocity is 10 meters per second. What you must understand is that whenever the final velocity is smaller than the initial velocity, that is as a result of what? Deceleration or retardation. And know that your acceleration is going to be negative. Okay. This situation happens in 8 seconds. It happens in 8 seconds. Then we want to find it what? Acceleration. Okay. We have v equal to u plus at, v squared u squared 2as, s is ut plus half at squared, and s is u plus v over 2 multiplied by the time. We want to find a. Now, if we want to find a, do we have the time? Yes, we have the time. Do we have the initial velocity? Of course. How about the final velocity? It's there. Then we can find this a. But finding the a here, where a is the subject, it is very easy if we do like a equal to v minus u over t. Primarily, it's supposed to be v equal to u plus at. That is for sure. But if you want to find a, using this one will lead us to what? A waste of time, because this one is converted to this. How this one gives us this one? Well, this is v. This v comes to the left minus u. What we have here left, we have 80. But we want to find a, so we divide by t. T takes away t. Look at it here. So likewise, if you have this one originally, you want to find, you want to find what? You want to find t, simply say divide by a by a. So you cannot be using this all the time because you are like 1 or 2 minutes late or like 30 seconds late. So, but for beginners, let us use it. V equal to u plus 80. What is our v? Is 10. What is our u? Is 30. We need a. And t is what? 8. So 10. We move this one here minus 30. And here remains 8a. 10 minus 30 is minus 20. Here is 8a. we divide by 8, we divide by 8. 4 is 2, 4 is 5. So negative 2 into 5 is 2.5. The acceleration is always squared. Why is it negative? Because it decelerates. Even if you don't see the word decelerate, the fact that the initial velocity is greater than the final velocity, that means deceleration or retardation takes place. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to follow, like, share, and comment. See you in my next video.